Hello and welcome to Vehicle Insights. The Toyota Corolla Altis Grande X CVTi 1.8 Black Interior 2024 is one of the premium variants in Toyota's popular Corolla lineup. Known for its reliability, comfort, and strong resale value, the Corolla Altis Grande X offers a blend of modern features, fuel efficiency, and smooth driving experience. Here are the key features and specifications for the 2024 model. Engine and performance. Engine, 1.8L 1,798 cubic centimeters for cylinder, 16-valve DOHC dual VVTi petrol engine. Transmission, continuously variable transmission CVTi with a 7-speed sequential shiftmatic system. Power output, 138 horsepower HP at 6,400 RPM. Torque, 173 Newton meters at 4,000 RPM. Fuel efficiency, typically around 12 to 14 km/L, depending on driving conditions. Exterior features. Design, sleek and modern with chrome accents, stylish front grille, and LED daytime running lights, DRLs. Headlights. Bi-beam LED projector headlamps with auto-leveling function. Wheels. 16-inch alloy wheels. Side mirrors. Electrically adjustable, retractable, and equipped with LED turn signal indicators. Rear. LED tail lamps with a sporty rear bumper and integrated reflectors. Interior features, black interior variant. Interior design, premium black leather seats and black interior accents for a sporty yet elegant look. Infotainment, 9-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and USB connectivity. Audio system, 6-speaker sound system. Climate control, dual-zone automatic climate control with rear AC vents. Steering wheel, leather wrap with tilt and telescopic adjustment, mounted audio and cruise controls. Instrument cluster, Optitron meter with a 4.2-inch multi-information display mid. Sunroof, available in this variant, adding to the premium feel. Seats, 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, reclining rear seats for added comfort. Safety features, airbags, dual front airbags, side airbags, and curtain airbags for maximum protection. Anti-lock braking system, ABS combined with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, and brake assist BA. Vehicle stability control, VSC, for improved handling during cornering. Traction control, helps maintain grip and control in slippery conditions. Parking assist, rear parking sensors and reverse camera. Hill start assist, prevents the vehicle from rolling backward on steep inclines. Additional features, smart entry and push start. Keyless entry with push-button start. Drive modes, available ECO and power modes for different driving preferences. Cruise control, standard for highway driving comfort. Dimensions, length, 4,650 millimeters. Width, 1,775 millimeters. Height, 1,475 millimeters. Wheelbase, 2,700 millimeters. Fuel tank capacity, 55 liters. Price. The 2024 Toyota Corolla Altis Grande X CVTi 1.8 with black interior is priced in the upper range of the Corolla lineup, typically around PKR 7 to 7.5 million, subject to variations based on market conditions, taxes, and region.